just done bathe, but more I think to myself, I'm gonna forget it. I talk about it real quick. I feel good about myself from what I did in the past couple of days, because here from the day of Korea, I do the bowl for workout stuff, and I ask myself, why? Why am I really I do it, pick up myself and do them difficult stuff when I'm no sense. Like me I try to kill off myself. You know what I mean? Me I try to figure it out and I can't figure out why me I do it, but I keep on I do it same way. You understand? What means from what day me and Sugar and Rhea we go over one part over Bali. Yes right. And one big Sugar see she want go waterfall. So we go the waterfall, big old waterfall, but me never know. Say the waterfall you have to scale down the side of the hill. Yes right, I never know, or else I would have planned properly. But I did not know. Right? You know me, I want to love plan out my thing. So now I reach at the place and we have go down the whole time. Is me have a bag on my back. Me have on slippers on my foot. Me have Rhea in my hand. Rain and fall, and I have the umbrella in my next hand. You understand? So understand now. Slippers on my foot. Bag on my back, Rhea in one hand, umbrella in the next hand. And what I reach at the waterfall and we are go down and I say, oh, we are go down so far. You know what I think in my head the whole time, I don't want to say nothing, you know me a coward from a taller time. I think to me, I say, oh, we are go down so far, oh, we are going to come back up. I think to myself, now, I have a whole for something them for me. And we are go down, see, we are reach down there and down the pretty and nice and beautiful waterfall, nice, and my wife look nice, and Rhea look nice, and everything look nice in the background, and I say, yeah, this feel good. You see me? But the whole time I did it, I can't catch my breath. And then I check my phone and realize that we're 4,500 feet up. You understand? What you have to understand is, for the past couple of years, I live at sea level. Right? Because I'm in Europe, sea level, I'm there. When with me and Sugar there, Alabama is not mountain or sea level same way. Right? We're in the Veld, we're there Roosevelt, sea level. You understand? Which one I do right as a Korea, when I work out and I do my thing, sea level. You understand me I say? Flat, less than 100 feet elevation. So all the time I work. So now I do over there in Bali and we do the mountain thing and scale down, and I say I can't catch my breath. But prior to this, prior to driving to the waterfall, we sit down and we have lunch and we have 2 beers for drink, right? So I know that I say maybe the alcohol, but as I say, I never know, so I have to scale down and scale back up, or else I wouldn't drink the alcohol. So now, scale down and I say, no man, but the 2 beers alone, now for me feel so. So I check the phone and realize I'm the 4,500 feet up in the air. You understand? So my heart beat fast, I can't, it's hard for me to catch my breath, and then the heart beat fast, I have pressure upon it, I have to try to pump the oxygen through my blood. So my heart beat fast every time I try to catch my breath. Right? Sugar will come. So she will tell you, she love to tell people if I lie me, I tell her. She will tell you, I can't catch my breath. And I say, okay, so now it's time to go back up the side of the hillside now. And I say to myself, Jesus, but oh, I can't remember, you know, slippers for my foot, just drink 2 beer, right? I weigh 150 pounds, so 2 beer for me, I come like somebody else drinking a whole back like Hennessy. You understand? I have a bag for my back, Rhea in one hand, umbrella in the next hand. And I look pan up the side of the hillside. Steep. Sugar, like I'm telling? Steep. And I say, how am I going to do this? Long story short, I keep on asking myself, why I do them something and I try to kill off myself, I do difficult stuff all the time. Right? I walk up the side of the mountain with Rhea in my hand, bag on my back, slippers on, up all the way with no help. I feel so good about myself as a man, as Rhea father, as Sugar husband. Because what would I have done if I couldn't do it? That's the question. What would I do? Put Rhea on ground and say, hey Rhea, your father tired. Can you imagine? Rhea, your father is tired, you're going to have to walk up the side of the mountain by yourself. Or dad would hold your hand, let's do it and go up by yourself. Is that what I would have told Rhea? I would have said, no, Sugar, you know, so I'm tired. Hey, hold on for Rhea, you have to carry Rhea by yourself because I am tired. Or would I have said, oh, Sugar, you know, so I'm tired, here, I can't bring the bag. Can you take the bag and you carry the bag and I carry Rhea? Is that what I was supposed to have done if I couldn't do it? You understand me I say? So it just goes to show, sometime in our life, you have to understand it's difficult, you're going to end up in some difficult situation. You never know what kind of situation you're going to end up in. So you have to prepare for the worst. And that me I tell myself now. Because sometimes as me say, me sit down and I think to myself, why am I really I do them something sometimes? Because it's not required for my job, you know. None at all. It's not required. Me the other pilot them say all the time, say, hey, I fly, why do I need to walk a lot or why do I need to run? You understand me I say? And I keep on do them stupid something. I run marathon, I run half marathon before I go to work a morning time. You know them make me ask myself sometimes why I'm doing them foolishness there. But that local situation they make me feel good about myself as a man, as a father and as a husband. What do you think, Sugar? She know. I like me I tell? She know why you're not going to believe me. But yeah, it make me feel, I just feel good in myself to know so I really do that. But yeah, I just want to document, so in case I forget about this, I always have a video I can go back and go watch and say, you know what, I did feel good during that time there and that was a good thing.